Says I'm having bad luck getting my first client. I'm thinking to stay in business and keep working as employee and hope one day I'll land my first client. Am I wrong to think like that? Thanks, boss. Absolutely. Very wrong.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing love. This for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
I can immediately tell you that is the absolute wrong attitude to have. That is the wrong way to think about it. I was talking about this earlier. There's no way you're gonna half-ass your way into success in this business. Like you have to put your effort into it. And just because you're not having an easy go at it doesn't mean that you need to stop. That means you need to figure out what the problem is. Figure out why you're having a tough time. That means there's just a solution that needs to be found. And you need to find that solution. No one's going to find that solution for you. And the solution isn't going to hit you in the head walking down the street. You need to go and look for the solution. You need to be trying and failing, consistently trying and failing. Most of business is failing. There's way more L's than W's. I promise you. It's just that when you win, it's big. And what is it worth to you? What is it worth? Like, what is it worth to you to have control over your finances, control over your life, a business that you own, a business that you run and you operate? Is that worth it to you? Like, is that worth something to you? To me, it was worth everything. So I was willing to do what I had to do in order to get it figured out. You know, I can't instill the motivation into you, but I can tell you thinking like that, it's going to be tough. It's going to be a rough go at it, and you're going to eventually quit because you're not going to get what you want out of that. And it is the first one. I don't want to understate this. The first one is the hardest one to get. It is the hardest one to get, but it is also the most important one. Flat out, it's the most important one. It's extremely hard to get, and for that reason, it's the most important one. And what most people who haven't gotten that first client, I think most people just are underestimating the amount of volume that you have to do. Because I want you to hop on, click the link and hop on camera, because I really have some questions to ask you. Yeah, because you're saying you're having a tough time getting this first client, but most people just underestimate the amount of work that goes into getting a client. I think you guys are underestimating what it actually takes. Like, there's a lot of effort that goes into this. People do this for a living. There's people who are businesses that need cleaners. These are real business people. These people aren't new. These people aren't dumb. Like, you're not going to trick them into doing business with you. You got to actually go and do business. So there's no way around the work. If you run from the work, you might as well hide from the money. You got to put in the work. There's absolutely no way around it. You might as well stay an employee, stack and save at the job, and buy a franchise. Buy a franchise with a GM and play the investment game. You don't have to play the entrepreneur game if it's not for you. If the way, what makes you happier, to be honest. Like, it might not be for you. It might there may be a different calling for you. But if building a business, if running a company is what you want to do, then you're gonna need to push through it. You're gonna need to push through it, and more than likely, you're gonna need to increase your volume of output. I can almost guarantee your outreach is not where it needs to be in order for you to take in enough leads for you to come up with to have a conclusion like this, that it's just too hard to get the first client. That's not true. But I appreciate you for leaving a comment. Thanks for hopping on. Not trying to sound like harsh or like a downer. Like, I'm glad. You be proud of yourself that you're even in business, that you're trying. It takes guts, it takes balls to be out here, and it takes heart and to put yourself out there. It's not easy. It's not easy. But if it's important to you, then if the outcome is going to mean something to you, then the work has to be worth it. Oh no, I had someone backstage and then they just left. Hop back on, click back in, I'll bring you right up. My bad. I just saw you pop on and then you left. I like it. I'm willing to wait for it. Trying to hang out and help as many people as possible, bring as much value as we possibly can. So Lever Pearson say, hey, first time tuning in. Thank you. I appreciate you for being here. Welcome to the realest cleaning business community on the internet, the Cleaning Boss family. more than anything, those of you who are just getting in here or new here, hit the like button for your boy. Would really appreciate it. The YouTube algorithm really enjoys the likes, so hit that for your boy really quick. For those of you who don't know, I have an app. MyCleaningBoss.app. If you go to the app, you'll see exactly what it does. Or MyCleaningBoss.com, and there's even more information there. Go and try the app. There's a 14-day free trial, but this app allows you to run your cleaning business from anywhere in the world. It has features like GPS clock in for your cleaners, checklists for your cleaners, customizable that you can set these checklists up to do whatever you want them to do. Pictures of sections inside a building, so all your cleaners know exactly where everything is. A whole bunch of features, calendar feature, availability for cleaners, so that cleaners get to set their own availability, so you don't have to fight over scheduling. You know who's available, who's not available, and you can assign them to shifts pretty quickly. Within like less than a second. It's awesome. So go ahead and give Cleaning Boss a try. You can see all of your locations that need to be cleaned, haven't been cleaned, people are late to or in progress at a quick glance on the user dashboard on a map. It's awesome. So go ahead and give Cleaning Boss a try at mycleaningboss.com or .app. It doesn't matter which one you go to, but that is the technology built by us, built by this community, inspired by the things that we do here. And it's one of the best ways to support the channel and help your cleaning business to scale a little bit. So you can stop, worrying about chasing down employees or wondering if anyone actually showed up to the shift. And you don't have to worry about being in two places at once. You can have, your cleaners show up on one place and other cleaners show up in another place, and you can see that both of them are either there or not there. So gives you more of that 30,000 foot bird's eye view of your business that you should have. But yeah, download the app. Well, not download the app. We're not on the app store yet, so go to mycleaningboss.com or mycleaningboss.app. Add it to your home screen, but you can try it for 14 days. But so we got a channel regular backstage. Let's bring him up real quick. What up, Will?
What's going on, bro?
How you been, man? How's life?
I'm good, man. Can't complain. How about yourself?
I can't complain at all, man. Blessed and favored, highly favored, man. Highly favored. No
that make two of us, bro. That make two of us.
I know that's right. What's going on with you, man? How's the business? What's going on with the business?
Well, business still getting off the ground.
Still getting off the ground. Do we get some of the some of the free stuff complete?
Yeah, like that part is done. I just saying, like, I got the website done. I got shirts. I got my equipment. Waiting on the cards to come in. Like I'm pretty much ready to go. But I just had a question about like the insurance side of things too, cause
yeah.
I seen somebody else talking about the insurance is like $300 I forgot the exact number, but it was like real low, and like the quotes I've been getting, I'm like yo, it's kind of crazy. Like I'm seeing like $2,000-$3,000 a year. I don't know if that's the norm or not, but
so I started 8 years ago, but my very first insurance policy was just a general liability insurance, business insurance of $1 million. At $1 million of general liability coverage, and that was like $50 a month. It wasn't.
Hey, so my name's Freddie. I just got off of a one-on-one consultation with DJ, and let me tell you, it was definitely worth it for sure. He provides a lot of value. He looks at your situation. He doesn't just kind of give you a one shoe fits all type of deal. He breaks down what you're doing, what you need to be doing, and he gives you a plan to do it. There really is no fluff. He goes straight to the point. He asks you what it is you need help with, and he breaks it down and gives you, his experience. So, again, I think it was pretty worth it. So
when they start to get new business, they'll stop looking for new business so they can train their employees. But then once you get the employees trained, now you got no new business coming in, and you're back to square one. So you always got to be doing both at the same time. There's never a time in your business where you should not be taking on new clients and not be hiring new employees. That's a 100% of the time activity in your business all the time, forever.